Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make R6 avatar in Roblox Studio. All right, so first up, open up any game that you're currently making. For example, this one. Okay, just wait for it to open. Once done, make sure to publish the game. Okay, just go ahead over to file right here. Now publish to Roblox. If you don't know how to publish a game, go ahead and check it out on the channel. We have a separate video for that. Okay, for example, just click on publish right here. And then once done, you're good to go. When you hit on play, for example, as you can see here, I have my character. Now to change it to R6, just stop the game and go ahead over to the top under the home tab. Once more, click on game settings, and then just go ahead over to avatar right here in the left panel. Okay, now it says here, check out the new avatar setting feature under the avatar in the ribbon. So where do we find it? Okay, so before you can just easily click on this one, you'll have the option. So avatar in the ribbon. So basically just go ahead over to these tabs right here at the top. We have avatar. Okay. In here, just click on avatar settings. You may want to pop it out right here. Okay. Now in here, just click on three dots at the top right, and you'll be able to find R6 only. Or you can go ahead and choose R15 or R6. Just change it, and once done, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes, Save and Restart. Okay. After that, go ahead and check it out. Under Home, Play. And there you have it. That's how you make R6 avatar here in Roblox. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.